This 5-piece kit of essential daily treatments quickly gets acne under control. The products are designed to work together to clean skin, treat and prevent blemishes, and restore radiance. It's an easy-to-use system proven to give you clear, beautiful skin in 30 days or less. Basic Acne Treatment Kit. When you choose the Exposed 60-Day Basic Kit, you will receive a complete acne solution that works to rid your skin of acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and inflammation. Exposed helps prevent scars and leaves your face looking and feeling its best. Our products contain dermatologist-approved active ingredients that are proven to work. Basic Kit includes facial cleanser, Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment, a gentle yet effective cleanser that will clean your skin without overdrying it. The formula contains provitamin B5 to help regulate your oil production and sage extract to detoxify your skin. Clearing Tonic. The Exposed Clearing Tonic penetrates pores to control blackheads and whiteheads while returning your skin to its natural healthy balance. The tonic also rejuvenates problem skin with essential extracts and prepares your skin for the Exposed Acne Treatment Serum. Acne Treatment Serum, Benzoyl Peroxide Acne Treatment. The Exposed Acne Treatment Serum is formulated with the latest and most advanced acne-fighting ingredients. Helps prevent new acne, blemishes and whiteheads. Clear Pore Serum. The Exposed Clear Pore Serum is a lightweight gel that penetrates pores to control acne, pimples, and blackheads and rebalance your skin while you sleep. Free Derm-X cloth. The Derm-X cloth is a microdermabrasion cloth that is proven to exfoliate dead skin cells, remove cosmetics, oil, and dirt fast. Results. Like all acne treatment systems, follow it every day and you will see fast results. The exclusive combination of science nature found in Exposed gives you clearer, smoother skin. High quality. Exposed spends 100% more on the quality of our ingredients compared to even the most well-known acne systems. Exposed is spa quality and formulated to make your daily skincare routine something you look forward to. Safe. Exposed does not overpower your skin like many products. We use a soothing blend of natural ingredients to heal and calm skin while clearing up your acne. Guarantee. Exposed is guaranteed to give you clearer, healthier skin, or we will give you your money back. It's that simple. Try it today. You have nothing to lose except your acne. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.